Hi Steve, the easiest way for me to communicate with you and look at your project is to build a model. I have reverse engineered all of the Elfa components into my CAD system, and I've programmed the system to build these assemblies very quickly. This is what I think you're looking at. I'm going to send you a 2D drawing with dimensions, and I can put the dimensions in imperial, so at least in one platform we're going to be talking the same language. These are 400 millimeters deep nominally and 600 wide. I think that is 2 foot and 1.5 foot, but I was 6 last time. I'm trying to do something like that. You've asked for grey on white. I'm showing white on white, but I will, when I do the parts list, I'll do it in grey. And my mesh model looks a lot more like wire, but trust me, that's as good as I can do for mesh when I'm doing my own models. This is the new hanging system. Let me just zoom into that track profile and you might recognize that. It's a bit more like a J shape with this cover that clips over the front. The old style was more like a C shape, and the cover was like a plain flat bit of plastic that just clipped inside that C shape. So there's a slight difference there. They've also produced a little clip which stops these bouncing off. They've just done that in the last year or so, I think. I'll definitely be including that in your parts list. It's a really great addition. And if you don't know already, you have to screw the verticals to the wall. Again, a slight difference from how it was 2 or 3 years ago. You could do that top shelf as a single piece rather than a split. Tiny bit more expensive, but I think a split is easier to manage, and you also get the support in the middle there, which you wouldn't if you did that in a single span. Okay, I'm going to send that on to you now for comment. The only thing your photo seems to show is possibly longer shelves over this way. If that is the case, just let me know and I'll remodel it.